Alan, tell us about an event that's happening at Mazak in the very near future.
The EMO Encore is coming back to Worcester. We're fantastically proud to bring back a range of machines here from Milan, many of which are making their debut to our Worcester facility. And it's great, obviously, having had such a period with COVID, to welcome people back to our factory to see the latest technology in manufacturing.
What's the theme? Is there a theme running through the show?
There's a number of themes, from automation, which we know now is so important for many companies as they build to meet capacity demands that they've got. Green energy, sustainability is such an important part now of manufacturing, not just in the UK but globally. So we're really proud to be bringing back some of the latest technologies which show the green technologies that we've developed for our products and factories.
Can you tell us some of the new products that are going to be there?
Where do I start? We're proud really for the UK to have two new machines here, following on from the success of the CV5. We have the VCE 600 and also the VCN 700, which really expands our range of world-class vertical machining centres.
Well, the new VCE 600 is a very exciting vertical machining centre for us. It's going to attract a lot of customers. There's going to be a lot of interest about this. The reason being that, Paul, it's got the specification that can touch a lot of applications, but at the same time, it's got performance and value. One of the great things they're going to like about this machine is its versatility. It's got a large envelope, it's got a class-leading spindle, and of course, it's got the new Smooth Easy control, which is fast to program. You've got quick Mazak, and it's just great for operators.
Who would be the target, Mark? Who's those people that are going to come and see this? It's going to really wow them.
It's going to be great for subcontractors. It's going to be great for those entry-level businesses. Anybody that's got a variety of workpieces, and they need to have the assurance that the specification is going to be able to cope with everything that's thrown at it.
Mark, the VCN 700 will also be on show. Who's going to like this one?
Well, this machine really offers a fantastic performance. So there's been recent trends towards dynamic milling. And what we've done with this machine is design a machine that adapts perfectly to that situation. So it's got the Smooth G control, which offers fast block processing. It's got dynamic response of the axis, rigidity, and also gives superb accuracy. This is for the customers who want the extra performance out of their machine. Those customers that are perhaps looking for accuracy, those customers are looking for the performance from the spindle, and also the control system to make a number of components, aluminium, steel components, but also components that require very accurate surfacing, such as die and mold or freeform surfacing.
Mark, the CV5 500, another machine that's going to be on show, but this time with the automation. Who's this a fit for?
For those customers that are looking to transition from vertical machining centres into 5-axis, this machine is great. Any size workshop, this machine can fit into it. It's got a small footprint, but with the automation, what customers are going to get now is an opportunity to extend their unmanned working hours. The CV5 was designed initially from the very beginning with automation in mind. So the ergonomics of the machine and the design allow it to be loaded from the side. So the operator can retain a perfect position to look into the machine, whilst at the same time we get perfect access for the automation. The other thing about the automation is it follows on very much from our ethos with Mazak. It's easy to program. So this automation, you can change between workpiece and set up in just 5 minutes.
Mark, the C600, this will also be on show. So what's different with this to the other 5-axis automated solution?
The C600 offers another level of performance, but this time we're showing the machine with our partner automation from BMO. This is the BMO Platinum 50. The great thing about this automation is extremely flexible. It suits those customers that make high mix and low volume, and it allows our customers to work extra hours and gain the productivity from those unmanned hours.
And this is like a tray style design, isn't it? So you load the trays and the trays then feed the machine.
Yes. Well, it offers two things. We can load pallets into the machine. The pallet contains the fixture, but then we can place components individually from that. So we've got 4 trays. It can be expanded up to 7. And we can take a number of components from 10 millimeters up to 300 millimeters in component size. So a very flexible system.
And then Mark, there's this new turn-in centre. This is quite different, isn't it, from Mazak, and quite exciting.
Yeah, this is our new QTE 300 MSY. So this machine includes a Y-axis, a second spindle, and also 4 C-axis contouring. But the great thing about this machine is the price. It's very affordable, and also the new control. The new control allows you to program very quickly. You've got full visualization of the component. This is going to be a hit with our customers. The sort of customers that we're appealing to this machine is customers want a specification they can throw anything at. They get value and performance. So it's anything really from subcontract right through to those customers that are making components with quite complex features.
Here at EMO this week, it's been a busy week, hasn't it? I'm assuming you're hoping for the same back in England. And
Absolutely. It's been too long since we've been able to get together. EMOs provide that fantastic platform for people to meet, to see technology, and I'm sure that will be the same in Worcester. The UK Manufacturing Society wants to get out. It wants to see how they can improve their manufacturing capability, and there's no better place to see that than Worcester in November.
Can you tell us the exact dates for our audience so that they know when to diarise it?
Absolutely. The event will take place in Worcester from the 2nd of November through to the 5th, so put that in your diaries. It's a great opportunity to see some real world-class technology.